Hi guys, Omarete Vilato here, the basement production. In this video, what I'm doing is I'm cleaning my grill. Many of you guys don't know how to do it. It's a very straight process, a straightforward process. You don't have to do much. Some people will buy the greaser, which made their life easier. Really, what I used was cold water and soap. That's what I use: cold water, soap, a Brillo, sponge, and that's about it. And wipe it clean. So you're gonna be watching the video on how I did it. You have your own method. If you have a better solution, a better way to do it, leave your comment down below. Wear gloves so your nails, your fingernail won't get dirty with the grease. So far so good. I could show you how it's coming out. But so far so good. It's looking clean. We're getting ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow is Father's Day, by the way. Happy Father's Day to every single father out there. So watch the video to the end so you can see how I did it. You got your own method. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Share the video, like the videos. Omarete Vilato, the basement production. Thank you for watching.